Carl Jung, a remarkable figure in the realm of modern psychology, stands as a beacon of influence that has left an indelible mark on the field. Credited with introducing terms that have become pillars of psychological understanding, extroversion and introversion, archetypes, anima and animus, shadow and the collective unconscious, Jung's legacy extends far beyond his role as a practicing psychiatrist. He is rightfully recognized as the visionary founder of analytical psychology, or Jungian, analysis, an innovator who reshaped the landscape of psychological thought. In the nascent stages of his career, Jung forged a profound connection with Sigmund Freud, the pioneer of psychoanalysis. Their collaboration birthed a shared vision of human psychology, a vision that would, however, undergo a poignant divergence. Jung's unwavering commitment to personal research, especially his exploration of the collective unconscious, rendered it incongruent with Freud's psychoanalytic theories. This incongruity gave rise to a significant and painful separation after years of collaborative endeavors. The roots of Jung's analytical psychology delve deep into the soil of this schism, laying the foundation for empirical insights into the intricate workings of the human psyche. This culmination of a lifetime's work finds its tangible form in The Collected Works, a monumental compendium that spans an astonishing 60 years of intellectual pursuit. Jung's contributions, like threads weaving through the fabric of psychology, have forever altered the terrain. Delving into the intricacies of our psyche, Jung delineates three distinct realms: consciousness, the personal unconscious, and the collective unconscious. Consciousness, the realm of our awareness and experiences, is where the ego takes shape. Yet, according to Jung, it pales in significance when compared to the vast expanse of the unconscious. The personal unconscious, unique to each individual, harbors fragments forgotten, thoughts unnoticed, or repressed due to their disquieting nature. On the other hand, the collective unconscious, the deepest recess of our being, is a repository of archetypes, universal patterns, and images inherited genetically, rather than shaped by personal experiences. Jung's expertise extended into the realms of religious and mythological symbology, a journey that unveiled the archetypes residing in the collective unconscious. The study of cultural myths revealed patterns that echoed across diverse societies. Even the dreams of individuals grappling with schizophrenia mirrored these archetypes, reinforcing the idea of a collective unconscious. Jung's explorations took him to the corners of the globe, from the United States and England to East Africa and India, each journey contributing to his profound understanding of symbolism and the unconscious, with Hinduism leaving an indelible imprint. While Jung proposed a multitude of archetypes, such as the father, the mother, the wise old man, the hero, and the trickster, our focus narrows to the four major Jungian archetypes: the self, the persona, the shadow, and the anima, animus. The self, the paramount archetype, reigns supreme over the ego. The ego acquired during one's lifetime is but a conscious facet, overshadowed by the unconscious. The integration of these unconscious elements into the conscious self stands as the crux of individuation or self-realization, an enduring journey, according to Jung, that constitutes the primary goal of human psychological development. Embarking on a journey into the recesses of our unconscious, the realm where the persona, shadow, anima, and animus hold sway, we encounter forces that wield a profound impact on the ego. The persona, an archetype born of conformity, emerges for the sake of adaptation or personal convenience. It masks our authentic selves, presenting a facade that differs from our true identity, leaving behind the contradictory traits that form our shadow. Jung aptly describes the shadow as the mysterious, dark side of the personality. While the contents of the personal unconscious are acquired throughout one's lifetime, the collective unconscious houses archetypes that transcend time. Among the shadow, the anima, and the animus, the shadow emerges as the most accessible, retrieved from the contents of the personal unconscious. To be conscious of the shadow demands moral fortitude, an acknowledgement of its dark aspects as tangible and ever-present. The shadow, in its delicate dance with the persona, plays a pivotal role in balancing the overall psyche. A feeble integration of the shadow results in a diminished personality, transforming the individual into a passive victim, an embodiment of the walking persona, overly concerned with external opinions. Those who avert direct confrontation with their shadows project these unacknowledged facets onto others. The qualities that trigger discomfort in others often mirror aspects we harbor within ourselves yet wish to conceal. Genuine personal growth necessitates the integration of the shadow, harmonizing it with the persona. While recognizing the relative darkness within is conceivable, staring into the abyss of absolute evil remains a rarity. Encounters with one's shadow, often manifesting in dreams as a same-sex figure, hinge on individual life experiences rather than being inherited from the collective unconscious. The dissolution of the persona and the comprehension of one's shadow constitute indispensable facets of the individuation process. Analogous to the narrative of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, it is imperative for the conscious personality Jekyll to assimilate the shadow, lest one becomes enslaved to an autonomous shadow. The integration of the shadow marks the genesis of the analytical process, setting the stage for the acknowledgement of anima and animus. This acknowledgement, however, mandates an ongoing engagement with the shadow throughout one's life. Within the shadow, two contrasexual figures emerge, the anima and the animus. In the depths of every man's psyche resides the anima, an unconscious feminine aspect, a personification of all feminine psychological tendencies. Simultaneously, within every woman's psyche, the animus represents an unconscious masculine aspect. Distinct from the shadow, these figures linger further from consciousness, rarely realized. Man's anima, characterized by feminine eros, assumes a passive demeanor, akin to a child seeking the protective and nourishing embrace of a mother. Woman's animus corresponds to the paternal logos, embodying the principle of rationality. Through the process of integration, man's anima transforms into eros, fostering a more caring disposition. In parallel, a woman's integration of the animus manifests as logos, imparting assertiveness and deliberation. The continuous integration of the collective unconscious, a journey facilitated through psychotherapy, introspection, and the moral courage to challenge one's beliefs, yields a profound influence. This transformative process fortifies the psyche, equipping individuals to surmount daily challenges while fostering a heightened awareness of their true selves. It serves as a reminder that elements within our psyche, beyond immediate control, shape our journey toward self-discovery and resilience. In the face of life's complexities,